Alright, what's up guys? It's Devin here and we have a package. So this is going to be my first unboxing. If you watch my last video, you'll know that I decided to give iOS a shot, go ahead and switch when the new iPhone came out, and as I'm sure everyone knows by now, it's out. So I didn't get mine immediately on the initial arrival day on the 21st, but we have it now. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open. So, I'm not gonna lie, I already split the seal on the outer box, and I was pretty surprised to see the iPhone sitting in there like that. I think it looks pretty dang good. Let's see what we got going on here. There she is. So here we have the 256 gigabyte iPhone XS. This is the black or space gray version, and it looks nice. Let's go ahead and get this thing cracked open. Designed by Apple in California, of course. Let's go ahead and get the full experience here. Got Face ID, Control Center, Home. Ringer silent switch, general overview, functions of the device. It's actually pretty nice. SIM ejection tool, basic information, and of course, lovely Apple stickers. Of course, the real star of the show is right here. Now, I did use an iPhone X for about 2 weeks. I can safely say it feels exactly the same, and that's not a bad thing. Let's go ahead and put that aside. Got our ear pods. Lightning. Of course, no lightning to 3.5 millimeter audio jack this time around, which is kind of a bummer. Also got our lightning cable, which I was hoping to have a USB-C end, but still with USB-A, and the wall adapter. Now that's just about it for the device, so let's go ahead and power this on for the first time. There it is. Infamous Apple logo. I gotta say right off the bat, while I'm really excited for this iPhone X, this thing does not power on nearly as fast as the Pixel does. Now I'm not gonna go ahead and get through the entire setup. I'm gonna cut the video short here. But look at that. iPhone XS. Space gray, 256 gig. Looks like the lift to wake is already active. Very nice. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. I may have a follow-up video on this, maybe a brief review, first impressions, something like that. But for now, thank you for watching. See you guys later.